Well, happy Saturday, YouTubers. Hope all is well with you. This is Rich from Jet Power Pressure Washing. I'm at a great job today. It's a awesome bungalow property that's just been put up for sale. I think following a family bereavement. Lovely garden, or certainly used to be, and absolutely tons of concrete paving, patios, you name it. So it's a great day for making an awesome video. It's just me here today, no Felix. So just about getting set up. Had a bit of an issue finding a water source, but we've managed that now. So I'm going to give you a guided tour around. You can have a look. Let me know what you think you'd do. I've got the Wilks USA TX750i. I believe it is with me today. It's a good basic machine. It's great to start off. So if you guys are thinking of setting up a pressure washing business, it's definitely worth a choice, a shout to get you going for the first few months anyway, definitely. And more importantly, it's quite affordable for most people. So I'll give you a tour of that as well later on, but let's have a look at the property and see what's what. So, starting out in the top of the garden, I've got a little hidden gem here. I think they're grapes in there, nice greenhouse. A bit of patio. You can see that's pretty much throughout. You can see the garden is in quite a lot of need of a lot of attention. So from Monday, hopefully I've got Erica with me from the Casual Gardening Company. He's going to take ownership of the garden, looking nice and sharp. I've got the STRIMMER with me today, so I might actually need that to get access to some of this patio. As you can see, it's quite overgrown down there. And it just goes on and on and on. So I'll pan around to have a look at the garden so you can see. Let's go off of it. It's absolutely lovely, certainly was. So we should, over the next week or so, getting it looking back nice and beautiful, really, in preparation for the photos from the estate agents in a couple of weeks' time. So poor Erica yesterday, while at a neighbouring property to where we are today, had a bit of an accident and smashed her knee up quite bad. So she, bless her, is hobbling around on crutches after a day in A&E yesterday. Luckily nothing is broken, but it has put her out of action for quite a while. So it's just me here on my own all day, but hey, pressure washing, nice and peaceful, and doing something that I absolutely love. So this is the back garden still. I'll just give you a quick walk through, and if you're looking at that, I think that's going to come up absolutely great. So we go around into a pond. Let me get up a bit. Loads of lovely areas to get nice and shiny. The pond's pretty dry, so there's no fish to worry about. Access is more of a problem, I guess, but I think we're definitely going to hypo this afterwards. I might even consider pre-treating it, but and then we spin around into some block paving. So moving out the front, I think this is going to come up really nice. Get those nice blues and reds coming through. Into a little driveway. That's great. So that's there, out the front of the property. It's a step. So I think all of this is going to come up really nice. It's going to look sharp and spiffy for those estate agents' photos. Second little driveway. Bit of low pressure on that, that'll come up nice. Not sure if we're cleaning that, I need to double check. But if we do, that's going to come up really nice. Lots of lichen on there, that's going to go away, but I don't really want to ruin next door's garden. Maybe set up a bit of tarp or something to catch any spray. Out the front, nice bit of stonework, a brick wall. That's again, pointing's a bit iffy, but some low pressure on there. That'll get up nice. And I think what I'm going to do throughout this is do a load of time lapse, also for our other channel, for the gardening channel, so you can see the transformation over time, but I'll put some links through the description. So if you want to see more videos like this of our grand design projects, then don't forget to like and subscribe and turn your notifications on. Remember, every subscriber really helps us. We are just a tiny little startup business. I'll give you a bit more details about who we are as well, so you get to know us over time. You see my lad Felix, who you met on the video last time. He's got some special requirements, which means it's difficult for Erica and I to basically have a normal 9-to-5 job, so we have to have a job that fits around him. So this is a perfect opportunity for us really to establish a bit of independence and enjoy working with each other and for ourselves. So that's about it for now. I'll start getting set up and ready, set the tripod up, and yeah, enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys, and if I'm doing the right thing. Thanks very much. Hi again, guys, sorry to pause the lovely footage. However, you probably noticed it's starting to rain quite a lot, and in my idiotic state I didn't bring a waterproof cover for my phone, so I'm recording all of this on my phone, so I'm a little bit concerned that it's going to get damaged. So what I'm going to do for a little bit, I'm going to do some point of view stuff with it, so bear with me because I'm going to have to operate the lance with one hand, and that is a bit tricky, as you'll see, and it might leap around a bit, but at least you can get some decent footage and have a look what I can see. Then if the rain doesn't back off a bit, I'm gonna have to put you away for a bit, and yeah, you'll just get to see the outcome. day one obviously was a bit harder than I was anticipating. However, I did manage to eventually get some good footage, although the rain was horrific in the end. We had thunder and lightning and all sorts. So sadly I couldn't film absolutely everything. So the back's pretty much done now. So today is Sunday, and I focus on the front, get it looking spick and span. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of what I managed to do yesterday. Obviously it did rain a lot yesterday, so there's still a bit of muck lying around, but hopefully today we'll get it all washed down, all finished up. And then later on in the week, once we've cleared the rest of the garden away, put some sodium hypochlorite down, bleach it up, get it all looking nice for the photos, which are at the end of next week, I think. So enjoy, and let's get some more time lapsing done. As you can see, what we've achieved yesterday is looking really good actually. It's come up really nicely. I'm really pleased. I've managed to uncover a fair bit of stuff that I didn't even know was there. I don't know if you can see over there. There, the nice stairs. I think if we try and get some images of what it looked like before superimposed, then you can see that you just cannot see those. They were so overgrown. It's almost like we used a pressure washer or some kind of strimmer on this particular job, which is fine. Got stuff on the camera. So as you can see, it's starting to look really good. Right, let's go over to what we're doing today. So back down this lovely pathway. Bugs are out already. And tomorrow we've got a new lad coming, a young 16-year-old who's coming to learn some of the ropes with us. Obviously Erica's out of action, so she's going to sit back and direct our efforts while we do all the back-breaking labour. So we're going on to block paving today, which I did a little bit yesterday. So we're down here, side of the house, all the way down, block paving drive, and then the front of the house, and all this stonework up here. Alright, so enjoy.
I get a little bit breathless, my thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart, it's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't wanna face it, you think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors, I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, loosen the flame.
Well guys, this has been an absolute beast. It's late Sunday afternoon and I'm just about finished. Rinsed down. The amount of mud and water and the drainage is awful. So I'm going to give you a quick walk through so you can have a look. I haven't put any hypochlorite down yet, but I'm going to, especially at the front. But I think there's going to be rain shortly, so there's not much point in doing it right now. And to be honest, it's Sunday and I want to go and see the wife and kids. So, quick tour around, see what we've achieved. I'll get this posted. Enjoy your weekend. As you can see, the block paving as always is cut like an absolute beauty. All those horrible weeds have gone. You can see how bad the drainage is. Look at the driveway. Will you look at that? It's absolutely stunning. It's come up really, really well, and I'm really pleased to be honest. It's taken me a long time, but the drainage down here is just awful. And it's nice and bright, as opposed to the black that it was. Sadly I've had to park my car on the other driveway, but you can still see how nice and shiny that's come up. Haven't put anything on these at all, this is just low pressure. I don't think it's ever been done before. I haven't bothered to do that bit because the garage door doesn't shut. And to be honest, it's going to absolutely annihilate inside the garage because I haven't got any flood barriers with me. I'm not going to do this because it goes straight onto the neighbour's garden and I don't want to blast loads of grime everywhere. So, in a nutshell, that's where we are. It's taken me probably a full day and a bit to get this far. Hopefully very soon we'll be able to save up the pennies and get the flat surface cleaner, which is going to make my life infinitely quicker. So, anyway. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember, like and subscribe, and you can keep track of my work. But in the comments, guys, let me know what you think. Have I done the right thing? Is it taking too long? Is the machine up to it, do you reckon? Anyway, there she is steaming away. She's worked hard today. Anyway, enjoy your weekend and we'll see you again soon.